Okay, so today let's talk about the best businesses to start in 2025 for beginners. Because sometimes we all be like, you know what? I want to start an online business, but I have no idea what to do. Well, do not worry. I'm just going to give you three business models that you can start in 2025, which I think they're pretty easy. One of them, I am actually doing it myself and making myself some bit of money on my Etsy store. But anyways, let's start with the first one, which is print on demand. Print on demand, basically, it is you who have a liking for merchandises like t-shirts, key holders, mugs, anything with a thought that you have in your head. For example, together we are stronger, or tomorrow will happen again, or something of that nature. Whatever it is, or statement that you want the world to know about, you can put it on a t-shirt, printed on a t-shirt, hence print on demand. Hoodies, you name them, you can do exactly that. And then what you do is you go on Amazon Merch on Demand, and then you make an application, and then you submit all of your designs that you would like Amazon to sell for you. So, of course, like I said, it's an application. You wait for about 14 days before they approve you. I'm not quite sure what they look at in order for them to approve you, but you need to make sure that you follow everything and that you follow the rules. All right. So that is one of them. And there are plethora of other websites that do exact same thing in selling for you your merch. Now, the best thing about this, you don't do any marketing, no inventories, no shipment that is done by you. It is all done by Amazon, including packaging. And the only thing that you get to do is to determine how much is a merch, whether it's a hoodie, you determine the price. If it's a key holder, you determine the price for it. If it's a mug, you determine the price for that. All right. It's a simple business model, but it's going to take you as well to be as creative and catchy. And if you have a website, you have a YouTube channel, you have Pinterest, you have TikTok, and then you link the Amazon page for people to go and purchase from there. And then the second business model is almost like print on demand, but this is KDP books or ebooks or whatever it is, books that you can sell online. Yeah, you can also once again sell it through Amazon. You do exactly what I said, you print on demand by making an application there on Amazon Merch on Demand. And then you make an application and then you sell these books. Basically, these books are stuff that you can do for yourself, like design for yourself. For example, this YouTube diary, okay? Or you can design a cover for this particular book, back and front, all right? Or for these high school literature books, things fall apart. You the one who design all these art on the book, or somebody just written a novel and they want somebody to design their cover. Hey, that you be the guy, all right? Both back and front. You're the one who design those covers. Some of these low production books can be diaries, can be planners. It can be absolutely anything that has to do with what people use on a daily basis, or at least they use for games. You can even create an entire Monopoly table, that sort of stuff. So, or maybe crossword puzzles. It just doesn't matter what cover page you do. And if you don't have graphic design skills, there are plethora of platforms and websites that you can go to, like Canva, and check out the templates for whatever design that you may be looking for to put as a book cover. And then you go to Amazon.com, and then you go under Amazon Merch on Demand, make your application there, and then start selling those books. Easy as that. Again, you're the one who will determine how much a book or how much a cover is going to cost, and you'll be making yourself a lot of money. Hopefully, you also get a lot of feedback from people by rating your book covers. The third and the last one, it is affiliate marketing. That's the third one. I've spoken about this before, but I feel like it's something that needs to be said. And I feel like if you have platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, I think as well as Facebook, where you can take these affiliate links and you embed them on all your social media platforms, and then you talk about them. You basically tell people that you do have affiliate links, and then this is how much you are going to get if people go and purchase these items that you are recommending to them. Sometimes it will help to have a physical product that you are talking about and you are recommending to your audience, or you can utilize things that you have in your house. So for example, I have this book by Bill Clinton and somebody else, and they do have an affiliate link for this book, and I can talk to you about the book and recommend it to you because it is indeed one of the best books I've read in a very long time. It's political, of course, and you will enjoy and get to also have your mind opened a little bit about a lot of things that are going in the world. And then once I'm done recommending the book, and then I just point in the description box and say you are going to get the link to this book in the description box. Well, I don't have, because I don't have an affiliate link with the book yet, but it's something that you need to look out for in the future. Absolutely anything you have in the house, you can put it under affiliate marketing, or better yet, you can go to all your favorite companies, whether it is face products or body products or even vehicles. You go to the companies, go to their website, scroll all the way down, and then find the icon or the feature that says affiliate. Click on it and then fill out that form, and then you see how much percentage they are going to pay you if people click on the website, because there's a small percentage you're going to get for clicks, and then you're also going to get another percentage if anybody purchases that product that you were recommending or promoting on their behalf. You don't have to have a product. It's somebody else's product that you are recommending to your audience, whether through Pinterest or through YouTube or through TikTok or Facebook, etc. and so on. And then you get to make money. Yeah, the money on affiliate marketing is not that much, but they compound. The more views you have, the more they are curious. For example, with the mic that I'm using, they might ask, hey, where did you get the mic from? And I'll tell you, oh, I got this mic from Amazon. It costed me $15, and the shipment took 2 days or a day or whatever the case might be. And then I point you to an affiliate link for this microphone that you can get from Amazon. And if you purchase this microphone, guess what I get? I get a commission from the sale. So let's say 100,000 people have asked about this mic, and 100,000 people went and bought this mic. Can you imagine? I'm already a millionaire just like that. So these are the things that you need to think about when you are going to be an affiliate marketer. Always promote products that are popular and trending, and then also you make money as a result. Now, the bonus one, and I've already talked about this one before, start a YouTube channel is another best online business that you can start for yourself, and you can make money. People are making tens of thousands of dollars every single month from their YouTube channels. It depends again on what type of content that you are going to be talking about on your YouTube channel. It doesn't matter how old you are. You could be 20-year-old, 35-year-old, 45-year-old, 85-year-old, doesn't matter, as long as you are producing valuable content to your audience and they will subscribe, they will view, and then you make money out of YouTube. All right. So these are the three main online business that you can start in 2025 for beginners, with the bonus of starting your own YouTube channel, which is number 4, that you can start in 2025. Hope this can help one way or the other. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do me a big favor by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.